Hi LinkedIn, Elena Curia here, and today I'm going to be speaking about the 5 golden rules of using LinkedIn, my favorite topic. The acronym that I've come up with is CRIMP. I'm going to explain what that means. C stands for credit. It's really important to give credit where credit is due. If you've seen a really interesting piece of content that you want to use, do not screenshot it, crop that person's name out and pretend it's your own original material. Always share it, tag the person whose original post it was and reference them. They're much more likely to engage and interact on your post, which gets more views for you anyway. R stands for reciprocate. If somebody comments on any of your posts, it's best practice to either reply back with your thoughts or ideas, or at least to just say thank you for that person spending their time and engaging with your content. I stands for interact. LinkedIn is a social networking platform, and it's a much better place where people are sharing their thoughts, ideas and experiences in a professional manner. So rather than just liking or reading passively some of the posts, why not share your own experiences and give something back and interact on those posts? M is being mindful. LinkedIn isn't Facebook. And what a lot of people don't realize is that when you like or when you comment on a post, it's almost as if you're sharing the post. Your whole network sees it. So be intentional, be mindful about the type of content that you're liking or sharing, and really ask whether or not you want your whole network to see it before you take action. And P stands for purpose. It's really important that if you want to connect with people you don't know, write a note in the connection request as to the reason why you want to connect with them, and give back and add value all the time on the platform. I hope this has been really useful. I want to see your comments below. I look forward to interacting with you in the comments below.